Hello everyone, welcome to BitOxygen Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about controls of VisualBasic.net. Controls are used by the users to interact with an application in Visual Basic Toolbox contains the controls which are used in form design. In previous video, we discussed about timer control. Today, we will learn about radio button control. Radio button control. Radio button control is also named as the option button. In this control, user can select one option out of the multiple given options. User can select one option within a group. Let's say there are three groups on a form. Then user can select one option from each given group. When user clicks on the option button, its checked property will become true. Checked property will have two values, that is true and false. Some of the property of radio button control are text, name, check, check align, auto check. Text property. The text displayed within the control is set with the text property, which can contain access key shortcuts. Name property indicates the name used in the code to identify the object, as we can say like ID. Checked property indicates the whether the control is checked. Its a checked property is the set to true and the click event handler is called. The check change event is rise when the value of the checked property changes. Check align gets or set the location of the checkbox portion of the radio button. Auto check. If the auto check property is set to true, the default, when the radio button is selected, all other in the group are automatically clear. This property is usually only set to false when validation code is used to make sure the radio button selected the option. Some of the event of radio button control are check change and appearance change. Check change event. When the value of the checked property of the radio button control is changed. Appearance change event. When the value of appearance property of the radio button control is changed. How we can use radio button control in Visual Basic. I will go to the toolbox window and I will take three radio buttons. I will change the text property of the radio buttons. One radio button text as a red. And second radio button text as a blue. And third radio button text as a yellow. Also, I will change name property of three radio buttons control. One radio button control as RB underscore red. Second radio button control as RB underscore blue, and third radio button control as RB underscore yellow. Then after I will double click on red radio button control to a write code in a window. In a code window, you can see the check change event of the radio button control is generated. In this event, I will write a code. Me dot back color equals to color dot red. Here I am using me keyword. It indicates that we are referring to this form. Also using back property. Now let's see the output. Whenever I click on a red, that time form's background color will be changed as a red. So after that I will double click on blue radio button. So I will write a code me dot back color equals to color dot blue. Now I will double click on yellow radio button control to write a code in a window. I will write a code me dot back color equals to color dot yellow. Let's see the output. Whenever I will check on a blue button, that time form's background color will be changed as a blue. Next, I will check on yellow color. That time form's background color will be changed as a yellow. So, in this way, you can use radio button control in Visual Basic.net. It was all about today's video. Hope you like this video. This was all about radio button control. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel BitOxygen Academy. You can also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.